Okay guys, so mag-start na tayo mag-decorate ng ating cake. So itong aking cake. May magic ako dyan. Hindi siya mahirap kunin. Kaya kung magbili kayo guys ng pan, maganda talaga yung tatanggal yung takip kasi napaka-easy niya lang tanggalin. Diba? Gumawa ako guys ng chocolate moist cake. Okay. Usually kapag yung iba magluto, palamigin pa nila yan o bukas pa nila frosting. Pero dahil ngayon namin kailangan, so ngayon ko siya gagawin. Ikakat ko yung cake into
bala, hindi ko lang. Kumakit lang kita na.
ako ganun. Die.
Mommy, can I eat the birthday cake? No. What's that name?
Happy
Birthday to baby girl.
yeah.
No.
21st.
Is this a tool? What's that for, mommy?
Birthday.
Me? Gabriel. No. But your next birthday is done. Gabriel pa.
No.
I have no birthday cake.
Okay.
I need to.
That's your birthday cake.
Happy first birthday, clocks. Clocks. See?
Can you
And
get the cake?
Ano man siya man? Karoon lang ba? Magalit si tatay sa imo ba? Mamaya pa na party ka luto gani ko.
But look at this. This one is so hungry. I have no food to give him.
Kani na ka dili na sa lamisa.
ganito na lang nito, by Gab. Heart by Gab.
Your clocks, you want to fight me again?
Puta nyo.
Isog na!
What was that?
Pangisog na!
Expense. Pet.
You want to fight?
I'm fighting.
Katawan na eh.
I will fight you. Kulata siya.
Not my tummy.
No.
Boom.
Away naman sa dugay.
Boom.
Away naman sa dugay ah.
I don't know.
Ayan na guys. So, chocolate brigadeiro overload moist cake.
Here's your gift.
So, grabe yan ka-overload.
I don't like Superman.
Simula hanggang sa loob niya. 2 layers ang vanilla filling. Tapos overload. Chocolate.
Then we'll